Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing $1 million bacon twists. They've got a little hint of rosemary and are going to blow your mind. They're amazing for a quick Thanksgiving appetizer and I can't wait to show them to you. So let's get started. Start this recipe by sprinkling a little bit of flour on my cutting board. I've got one sheet of puff pastry here unthawed that I'm going to roll out just a little bit to make it a little thinner. Cut off any rough or dried edges from the puff pastry. For my bacon, I'm using regular hard smoked bacon. You don't want to use thick cut. You want it to be nice and thin so you can get real crispy. So I'm going to lay these out right over my puff pastry, right next to each other, so no gaps. I'm going to brush the bacon with a generous coating of maple syrup. Spread 1/4 cup of your brown sugar all over your bacon. Make sure all your pieces are coated. A very light sprinkle of rosemary or 1/2 teaspoon. You want to be very, very light with rosemary. It is a really strong flavor, so it can really overpower if you put too much. Brush the backside of your bacon with maple syrup and spread out the remaining 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now it's time to cut these into strips and just follow the natural line of the bacon. Now for the fun part, we're going to twist. And from the ends, you just start turning it over. And you got a twist. I've got my sheet pan with a wire rack on top of it and a little bit of parchment paper. That parchment paper is going to help catch any drips or grease and it's an easy cleanup. Brush these with a little bit of egg wash. Also make sure you spray your wire rack with pan spray so that your twists don't stick. My oven is preheating to 375 degrees and I'm going to cook these until they're golden brown. You can also cut these in half for a smaller bite and they go absolutely amazing for the holidays as an appetizer. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.